What is going on, guys? It is CallMeFootball here again with another video. As promised, thanks for 950 subscribers. I'm going to show you one of my rare pair of Jordans. They're the Jordan Retro 5 Green Beans. You can see they retailed for $135. These shoes came out all the way back in 2006, and believe it or not, they've never been worn or tried on. Here's just the Jordan Retro card that came with them. Goes to the different Jordans, different retros 1 through 21. But yeah, these are them. These shoes have never been worn or tried on. You can see they still have the factory lacing. The bottoms of the shoes are icy due to the fact that they're over 15 years old. They are not perfectly icy anymore, but still a very beautiful pair of shoes. Let's get that out of the way. So yeah, as you can see, there's no creases or anything. They've never been worn. They're a really pretty shoe. When you take a flash with it, this whole material is made out of 3M. So if you were to take a photo with the flash on, it would light up. So yeah, just a really cool pair of shoes. Very rare to find a pair of shoes this old that's never been worn. And honestly, I don't know if I plan on wearing them. I really like these shoes, and I got them as a high school graduation present, and they're very collectible. So yeah, just thought I would show you these. Again, thank you so much for 900 subscribers. Hope you enjoyed the shoes, and I have plenty more that I might be showing in the future. So please leave a like, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys next time.